Those alerts are so incredibly important, especially at nighttime, too.
It is, and I think we've even learned in our own region the importance of turning on your television if you can. Because, Peter, when we have a tornado warning, you are on the air until it's over.
That's right. The entire CNY Central Weather Authority team is always there for you 24/7. It could be the middle of the night. We're going to be able to go right on the air with a tornado warning. Not to mention, of course, you should make sure that your cell phone has all the alerts on as well. But we're here for you. Here's the situation. We don't have to worry about any tornadoes, but you look outside right now, this is what you're basically going to be seeing for quite a while. It's part of our next Weather Makers. Make sure you have the umbrella and a jacket or coat necessary because it's going to be damp and cool for late May standards. It's a poor pattern, at least through Saturday night. And Sunday isn't great either, but I think it's a little bit better than, let's call it, the next couple of days. We're slowly Sunday trying for some improvement here. While an odd peak of sun is possible Saturday, I think Sunday there's a little bit better chance. Of course, we have the holiday weekend, and I think finally for Memorial Day proper, it should be at least closer to normal, which means the high temperature should probably be pretty close to 70 degrees, not to mention the fact there should be some more sun and hopefully drier weather. So far today, the high was 57, and yes, there's a breeze too. It's now our fourth straight day with a high more than 10 degrees below average, with more to come. So let's take a look. You might remember, if you've been watching us, that Thursday and Friday, in other words, the next 2 days, will likely be our coolest daytime highs of the bunch. I'm still forecasting a high of 51, 20 degrees below average, and would tie a record for the coldest May 22nd on record. Now, that's saying something. And look how chilly we are here. Well, Friday and even Saturday. Sunday's a little better. If we can get some more sun out, we might be a little higher than this. We'll see. But I think Monday is probably our best day in terms of not only drier weather, but milder weather as well. So your Futurecast taking you hour by hour. We do have one batch of rain that's moving through. There is a bit of a break at this time between Ithaca, Penn Yan, and southward, but there's a new batch of rain that's going to kind of replace it. So we're going to be in and out of rain tonight. And you'll also see in and out of rain tomorrow. I should also mention, in between these greens you see, it's either not doing much or it's a little bit of sprinkles or drizzle. Either way, it's an overcast type of day again, with most spots staying in the 40s to near 50 throughout the course of the day. It's a tough forecast. And notice that Thursday night, we still have the cloud cover and a bit of rain. That's continuing on and off in the forecast, kind of backpedaling from New England. On Friday, notice that it's still rather cloudy with some drizzle and sprinkles. There's some steadier rain in western New York that'll start moving in later in the afternoon. And again, it's only upper 40s to lower 50s most of the time. Friday night, oh, look at this in the Adirondacks. Friday night and Saturday morning. Matt and I were talking about this yesterday. Yes, in the Adirondacks, Green and White Mountains as well, of Vermont, New Hampshire, there's actually a possibility of snow this weekend. Saturday, still mostly cloudy, spotty showers. At least there's a chance of a peak of sun, assuming we get one or two peaks. We'll get to 56. Now, Sunday, there's still a lot of cloud cover, but there's at least a bit better chance for some sun, which is why we're going for a high in the lower to middle 60s, with only a chance of a sprinkle left over. Monday, sun and clouds, probably dry, and a high of 71. Stanley Law Skywatch. It's only raining lightly across central New York, but it is chilly for late May standards. You're up to date. Back inside.